Okay guys, we're going to try to go over here and shoot a video this time without butchering this one. We've butchered the last 2 or 3 in a row. This is my 3rd day on the job, and we'll find our groove, you know. But I got a really good truck. I kind of showed you guys this truck the other day, the white with the deep maroon stripe. The buyer on it fell off, so it just became available. So we're going to try to shoot this one without butchering it, and I think this makes somewhat a great truck, if not a great first truck. Let's show you what we got. Alright, so there it is. It's 2014 680. Got a 455 horsepower Paccar motor in it. It's a 13-speed, 321 gears. It's a nice truck, man. It's got the barn burner exhaust there, you know, but other than that, she's some people like that, you know. It's got a fixed 5th wheel on it. They say fixed, but if you ask me, you're gonna move it, you know, but you're just not air slide. But look at the meat on that, man. It's got some nice looking meaty tires on there. So it's been sitting here for a while. Need to air it up, crank it up. We'll get her cranked up here in a minute. And yeah, it has the 4-bag suspension under it, chain for your snow chains. Current empty sticker. Look at there. But let's get her fired up. See what we got. Go check out the insides. I'll lock that here in a minute. Let's go ahead and lock that now while we're here. There we go. But it's I like that strap package. It just kind of sets it off, you know, from the rest. Put that light panel. See how this 680 has that light panel? Get that light panel for here. I don't know what the price of that is. I'll check on the price. So if you call me and you're interested in the light panel for this truck and you want to buy this truck, I mean, it looks good. Look at that. It's a good looking truck. We got this thing priced at $39,900. I know some of you guys are waiting for that price. $39,900 gets you this beautiful, well cared for truck. Let's show you the insides of it here, and let's get her fired up and show you what we got. All right, so we got her fired up. She has 593,743 miles on it. Apparently has the lane avoidance system. Is that what that is? And collision migration system installed. Read the owner's manual. That was my truck. I'd probably unhook that. Got a quarter tank of fuel. Let's go ride around there. Come in. But place there mount your E-logs, Qualcomm. But it does have the workstation, the swivel seat, double bunk, and here is a fridge, which even has baking soda. I need to do that to my Peterbilt at home because I'll get my fridge turned off. But anyway, this is a very nice shape for the price and the mileage, man. I mean, wow, man, $39,995. You guys get the double bunk, nice sleep front. It's in good shape. This makes someone a great truck. Yeah, there's the so if you turn the blinker on, if there's something over and you hear it beep because there's a truck over there to my side, it'll let you know that there's someone there. I think you can adjust it as well. So anyway, yeah, she sounds like she's running good. You guys want to go see that power plant? Let's go out there and listen to it while she's running. You know, if you look at that. Yeah, that thing sounds good. Quiet, man. I love it. All right, let's go there and raise the hood. Let you guys hear that thing running, so you know there's no issues with it. All right, there we go. Listen how quiet that thing sounds. Like I said, we had a buyer on it, but he fell off. And at $39.95, I think she'll be somebody a good truck, man. That thing, it looks like it's yeah, all the brakes. Look at their brakes are basically new. I think they are new brakes. See how that drum is rusty? Yeah, they've got a new brake job on it. So yeah, man, got good rubber. So yeah, it's I guess it's got a heater on it. Got a Webasto heater in there. Awesome. Yeah, I got an inverter. Wow, man, so we got an inverter, heater, got the nice premium sound system. I'll tell you what, boys, that right there will make somebody a good truck. Y'all need to give me a call, 423-308-4027. Or call my cell, be there in the description box. I don't expect you to pick up those numbers as I rattle them off. So always check the description box. It'll drop down an arrow. Drop it down, it'll give you a full description of the truck. And yeah, the wheels are even in good shape. Somebody took care of this old truck, because the wheels ain't been all brightened and dulled out. Somebody's took good care of this ride. This will make somebody a fantastic truck, man. An absolutely fantastic truck for $39.95. $39,995. She will not sit here very long. Sounds good. Sounds real good. Wow. Let's get her closed back up. Alright, so anyway, that thing is, I like it, man. That's a nice truck for $39,995. I don't think you'll beat that deal right there anywhere. And like I said, most of these trucks, they have that Webasto heater in them. That's what I have on that Peterbilt. Love it. This truck comes with the inverter, factory installed inverter, and a heater, so it'll have a low voltage disconnect on it, so you can sleep in the night, in the winter, stay nice and warm. You don't have to worry about your truck not starting when you get ready to roll out in the morning. I like it, man. When I first laid eyes on that truck, I liked it, so that's gonna make someone a good truck, man. Give me a call, like I said, and check all the information out there in the drop-down menu, and let's get this bad boy on the road.